Standard, Air, Modified. This is our best-selling lift, and after listening to customer feedback, we redesigned it to be even better. We boosted the lift capacity by 200 from the original model, giving you a total lift capacity of 1,200 pounds. There's a dropout panel in the rear of the lift for easy removal of tires on any bike, making the S.A.M a game changer. The lift will save you time since it virtually has no maintenance thanks to our airbag technology that raises and lowers the lift with a max PSI of 120. The tabletop boasts an 84 by 24 inch working surface, and an extension can be purchased to make the total working width to 48 inches. Because safety is a priority, we redesigned the S.A.M to make it safer with a new ratcheting safety mechanism that automatically resets for you. The framework is finished with a textured black powder coat for added durability. And now, the S.A.M has available custom tabletop colors of blue, red, orange, or black. Simple and clean design throughout. All parts are exposed on the machine for easy removal of any component that may need to be replaced. Max height of 39 inches when fully raised, and the S.A.M is only 8 inches when collapsed, making storage a breeze. The S.A.M weighs in at just 322 pounds and easily moves around with phenolic wheels that will not damage shop or garage floors with serviceable roller bearings. There are so many accessory options for the S.A.M to increase your lift's productivity. The cycle vise mounts directly on your lift, which positions your cycle upright. When more height is needed, utilize the universal scissor jack. Keep your tools organized while you work with a convenient tool tray that attaches to your handy lift. When you need a lift that's reliable, small in footprint, and high quality, look no further than the S.A.M from Handy. The S.A.M comes with a lifetime limited warranty and is proudly made in the USA. Born to work smarter and play harder. Handy.